to tell you how to change the audio file from video using Shotcut software. For that you require the Shotcut software. Download it and install it. Bring the audio file which you want to edit and drop it into the timeline, and there you have to detach the audio portion from timeline and delete the audio portion and bring the edited audio portion on timeline to change the new audio which is corrected by the Audacity, and then export the video to the new file. So how you will do, just open the Audacity software. Here you have to bring your file which you want to edit. So I am going to take my file. This is my file and drop this file to the timeline. Here you have to select all and right click and go to more and detach the audio. Now you have to delete this audio, remove the audio, and then bring the file which you have edited in Audacity. It can be a MP3 form or wave form. I like wave form, so I am taking this one. Open it and drop in the timeline and set it, and then export this file. And if you want to check, then you can also check it here.
blog post and file
अभी वॉइस में हैशिंग जा चुकी है and बैकग्राउंड प्रॉब्लम जा चुकी है. Now you can export this file into the MP4 form. Export file and save edited new video. So save it on the desktop so you can get easily. Here the processing is a start, and when it will finish you can hear your voice again whether it is working properly or not, and then you can upload it on the YouTube video. It is processing. 55% is finished, and you have to wait for some time for the new video, and then you check it. Almost it is finished. Meanwhile, if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and please promote my channel or video. So it is finished. Now you can check it from desktop. Edited new video. So all the voice has gone.
blog post and file
So just
which I will show you.
Stop it, and this is the new video which you can upload. So